Welcome to Davi Toons Club. In today's video, we'll be drawing the K-pop Demon Hunters girls in a super cute chibi style. We'll start with Mira, so grab your materials, get comfy, press play on the Huntrix playlist, and let's get started. Let's begin with Mira's eyes, big, shiny, and full of determination. Mira is the team's calm and disciplined member. She's all about focus and strength. Her weapon, the gakdo, is inspired by traditional Korean polearms. In the movie, Mira's combat scenes are beautifully choreographed, mixing martial arts and rhythm. Add the pupils inside, leaving small white reflections for that anime sparkle. Draw her eyelashes and eyebrows slightly tilted, giving that confident and bold look. Take your time here. If any part feels tricky, pause the video and continue calmly. Don't forget her tiny mouth and those cute little blush marks on the cheeks. Let's add her ears and tiny earrings to complete the head. Next, sketch the face outline, nice and round to keep that chibi charm. Mira's signature expression, that cute but serious face, was meant to show her quiet determination. She's the big sister figure of the group, always keeping the team grounded. Mira's pink hair symbolizes energy, youth, and passion, just like her fighting spirit. Time for her long, flowing ponytail. Make it big and expressive with soft curves. Tell me in the comments, which character would you like to see next? And in which style? Retro cartoon, modern cartoon, or chibi? If this adorable version of Mira made you smile, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. Now, move on to her outfit, a mix of traditional and modern style, just like in the movie. Sketch her top first with those small shoulder pads and detailed patterns. Then draw her skirt with the cute little norige, or amulet on the side, super chibi style. Her design blends modern K-pop aesthetics with traditional warrior outfits, a perfect mix of old and new. Add her tiny legs and long boots, simple but full of attitude. If you enjoyed drawing her, don't forget to check out the other K-pop Demon Hunters tutorials. Just click the card above to explore. You'll find other art styles too, not just chibi ones. The creators designed her with strong, symmetrical shapes to show balance and discipline. Her fighting style was inspired by real Korean sword arts called a gunmu.
Let's give her the Gokdo, or Waldo, her iconic weapon. Keep it short and rounded to match the chibi proportions. When you draw the blade, make it curved and soft, not sharp. We want it to look magical, not scary. Finally, refine the lines. We're almost there. The K-pop Demon Hunters team spent years developing each character's color palette to match their personalities. Here are some color tips for you to use. I used magenta for the hair, yellow for the skirt, and a mix of teal and dark blue for the outfit. But remember, you can color her however you like. Have fun and make it your own version of Mira. And here's our Chibi Mira, glowing, powerful, full of style, and an infinitely cute charm. Today we're drawing a super cute chibi version of Rumi, step by step. Let's get started. If at any moment you need more time, feel free to pause the video. And don't forget to take a screenshot of any tricky part so you can use it as a reference later. Also, check out our playlist with other K-pop Demon Hunters characters in cartoon style. It's full of cool ideas. Let's start with the head, the star of every chibi. For the eyes, make them tall and oval with 2 or 3 white sparkles inside the iris. Keep the eyelashes delicate and the eyebrows slightly curved to give Rumi that confident expression. Rumi is one of the main leaders of the Huntrix team in the film. Her nose could be just a dot or a small inverted V. These small lines on the cheek give the drawing a cute look. The mouth is small and cat-like, with a tiny curved shape and a soft lower lip. The ears are round and cute. Don't forget to draw the earrings. Draw a big round head with soft cheeks. On the cheeks, don't forget to make 2 pink ovals right in the area of these little lines. Now for the hair, draw the big top section and her long braid. Use round, chunky shapes instead of individual strands. Add simple curved highlights on the upper parts to give a shiny effect. Her hair color will be a vivid violet with lilac reflections. Time for the tiny chibi body. Keep it short and small. Draw Rumi's bright yellow cropped jacket with a white top underneath. Here are some tips for when you color your drawing. Base tones, peach skin, violet hair, yellow jacket, teal shorts, red wine details, and golden accessories. Use cell shading, no gradients, just solid shadows about 20 to 35% darker than your base color. Add small white or lilac highlights on the hair and sword for a soft, pearly look. If you enjoy this kind of tutorial, check out our playlist with more cartoon characters. And tell me in the comments which character you'd love to see in Chibi style next. Write the character's name and 3 words that describe how you'd like them to look. For example, Naruto, cute, fierce, colorful. Her arms are thin and flexible. Now draw the hand holding her sword, long and slender with flat facets. Later, we'll color it with a pearly tone, blending pink lilac to light blue. K-pop Demon Hunters became one of the most watched animated releases of 2025, breaking viewership records on Netflix and topping music charts with its soundtrack. There was even a special collaboration with Fortnite, featuring Rumi's outfit as an in-game skin. Keep the legs short and cute, ending in small, delicate feet. Add her belt and the small side accessory. Simple lines will do the job. Her boots are tall and wide, with a red stripe down the front. Here's a great finishing touch. I started the tutorial using black outlines, but in the end, I switched to dark purple. It matches the palette better. To do this, keep your line art on its own layer. In Photoshop or Procreate, select the line art, go to Hue and Saturation, choose Colorize, and set a dark purple tone. And here she is, our adorable Chibi Rumi. If you like this tutorial, hit the like button and subscribe. Today, we're drawing a super cute Chibi version of Zoey, step by step, starting from the line art. If you need more time at any point, pause the video. Take a screenshot of any tricky frame to use as a reference later. Don't forget to check our playlist with other cartoon-style character tutorials for more ideas. Let's start with the big and expressive eyes. Create tall ovals with generous inner white sparkles. 2 or 3 circles of highlight inside each iris read as bright, lively eyes. Zoey is presented as the group's maknae and lead rapper in Huntrix. She's a central figure in the story's dual life of pop idol and demon hunter. K-pop Demon Hunters quickly became a huge cultural hit in 2025, with its soundtrack topping charts and the movie achieving record streaming numbers on major platforms. Add delicate curved eyelashes and slightly arched eyebrows for a cheerful expression. The movie's soundtrack dominated Billboard charts and returned to #1 on the Billboard 200, highlighting its strong musical impact. The nose is tiny and minimal. A little triangular mark will do. Make sure her mouth is open and happy. The cute round ears and earrings help make Zoey even more stylish. Chibi heads dominate the silhouette, so make it large and round with soft, slightly puffed cheeks. Draw a clean outer contour for the face. Keep the chin small and rounded. Block the large hair masses first, the top volume, the bangs, and the big bun at the back. Use smooth, rounded shapes rather than drawing every strand. Afterward, remember to add some curved highlight shapes to the top surfaces to give the impression of shiny, soft hair. No gradient needed, just solid lighter shapes. Suggested color: vivid black with electric blue highlights. The side strands fall to just below the jawline. Simple and beautiful curves. I want to see your chibis. Take a screenshot and share it in the YouTube community. Tag Davi Toons Club or use hashtag Davi Toons Chibi so I can find and share your art. If you like these chibi tutorials, check out our playlist of cartoon characters and tell me who should be next. Comments like that help me choose and shape future videos. Draw the short chibi torso, compact and simple, keeping the silhouette cute and balanced under the big head. Sketch the short turquoise top with its single strap and small choker detail at the neck. Keep all lines clean and bold so the language reads at small sizes. Arms are short and slightly chubby. Mark joints with tiny circle guides if helpful, then finish fingers with smooth curves. On Zoe's right hand, draw the microphone. A simple handle with a rounded mesh head. Keep facets minimal and readable. In the left hand, draw the V peace sign. 2 fingers extended, others folded. Make the gesture cute and rounded. Legs are short and slightly stubby in chibi style. Mark the knees with gentle curves and keep the thigh to calf proportion compact. Zoe's left leg is slightly raised. Finishing tip. I started with black line art and then switched to a dark blue for a softer, more harmonious look. If you are drawing with paper and colored pencil, be sure to do the line art with dark blue pencil.
And here are some color tips for you to use when coloring.
Peach skin, black hair with blue highlights, dark blue pants with yellow sides, lilac eye makeup, blue sneakers with yellow details, silver earrings, turquoise top and suspenders. Draw the knee bent and the foot pointed down lightly to show motion. Draw ankle-height sneakers. Add a small cuff or seam at the ankle and a few simple fold lines where the shoe meets the leg.
And here she is, our super cute Zoe. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more chibi versions, and tell me which character should get the next chibi makeover. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.